Welcome to Garment Pro ERP system. Today I will show you a tutorial about the printout function. Okay, let's start. Sign in into the system, and then click the top right menu to open the menu page. We are now going to the sales order document, to show what function inside document printout. Click the block named Transactions and then click the Sales. You will find that the sales order block. On the top right corner of the block, here has a list lines bar. Click it, it will direct go to the document listing. We are simple open a sales order number, 221001, and its revision is 5. What is revision in the system? When save the orders, there is a status call approval, that is indicated the order has confirmed, and ready to go to next step process. For example, approved sales order means the document is confirmed to purchase process. So, for better trace back the previous approved record, the system will add a new revision to the order when user go to save the approved order. The original revision will mark as voided and keep in system. Now, click the Print Preview to open the output. The output is using PDF format. It is good for keep the content layout consistency, and it is universal standard format in the world. Okay, here is the PDF Printout Preview. At the top of Preview, there are several options. The first option is Company Header option, to select different company header on printout. It is an exclusive function, which not included in standard, additional charges needed. The next option is Document Printout option. It may provide more than one type to output for different of use. For example, sales order has provide addition material calculation printout, to output the combination of materials. Here is the material combination, and the style and quantity information. The third option is for sales order printout, so we go back to sales order printout. The third option is a image control option, to hide or show images in sales order printout. Here is the product image. By default, the image will shown in printout. Or click the option to hide the image. The next option is a changes control. It is shown the content changes in printout. This changes is a compare result with current version and previous version. And output the changes in red color text in the printout. It is very useful to your customer and easily represent the changes area. The next option is a language control. The printout content will change by the language accordingly. But the language changes is for content title only. Your input data does not change any. In option, here is traditional Chinese text. And here is simplify Chinese text. The next option is a orientation control. It make the output to portrait or landscape. Here is the landscape output. And here is portrait output. The next option is line break control. It is to set which line number to take a page break. Normally, we are let the system to auto-detect page break lines. Or if you want more space in page tail, you can set it by yourself. The next option is item break control. Sometimes, the item may break out on the two pages, that is difficult to view. Or clear current setting to factory default setting. On the second row, the first option is setting saver, to save above option rather than default option. It can save for this orders only, or save as default option. Or clear current setting to factory default setting. Next is a button, to open the last recipient printout, when show changes option is active. Here is both printout and shown different revision number. And amount changes. The system has supported sending the PDF document through email from server. So, the next button is Print to Attachment, for emailing. Since the printout has provided several type of content printout, the button can output the PDF file as email attachment. Also, you can use it to save as order files, for next time emailing. Now, it is attached into email. Let's go to email interface. By clicking the next button Send, the email interface is opened. You can see the attachment is attached here. If you want to detook the file, clicking the trash icon to delete the attachment. However, click this magnifier to upload additional attachment files. For additional email, click this magnifier to select email of internal user. That is the end of tutorial. Thank you for your watching.